Hey guys, welcome to Unit 4. We're going to talk a little bit this week about culture shock, which can be a really fun discussion. As you think about that, remember that culture shock can be from traveling to a totally different place, but it can also be being involved with another group. So maybe you just joined a new group at school or a new department at work. Any of those things can cause culture shock. So just think broadly about your experiences. This week, 4th of July is on Wednesday. Those of you who are traveling, I wish you a safe and fun holiday. And for everyone staying at home, also a safe and fun holiday. And also know that because it's on Wednesday, reading companion, presentation for points, and main post aren't due until Thursday, but the unit deadline is still on Sunday. If you have any questions, let me know. And also please be sure to continue to review your exams and let me know if there is a problem. I believe I updated everybody's grade appropriately for one question that was grading incorrectly on the last exam. But again, please review your work. Let me know if there's a problem in case there's something I have missed. Thank you and have a great holiday, guys. Take care.